Have you ever wondered why we use a bowl for serving soup instead of a flat plate? Or why we use a screwdriver to turn screws instead of a hammer? Let's uncover the secrets behind the relationship between structure and function. Soup on a plate. Sounds silly, right? A flat plate's structure isn't suitable for holding liquids like soup. It lacks the depth and curvature needed to keep the soup contained. A bowl, on the other hand, with its round shape and deeper structure, is the perfect vessel for holding soup without spilling. Similarly, imagine that you have a loose screw that needs tightening. Would you use a hammer for the job? Of course not! A hammer structure, with its heavy head and flat surface, isn't suited for turning small screws. A screwdriver is better suited for the job. Its grooved tip fits perfectly into screw heads, which better distributes the force of your turn and allows you to tighten or loosen the screws with ease. Let's consider a musical example. Here we have a guitar and a trombone playing the same note. However, because they have different structures, the note is going to sound different coming from each instrument. Even though the guitar and trombone are playing the same note, they sound different. This is because the structures of the two instruments are different. The guitar has strings, while the trombone has a slide. By changing the length of the trombone, the musician changes the structure in which a sound is made. This way, a musician can change the pitch of the sound. When the slide is short, the sound is high. When the slide is long, the sound is low. Just like with everyday objects, the relationship between structure and function is essential in the scientific world. Making careful observations about an object's or living thing's structure can give us useful information about its properties and functions. For example, different cell types have different structures, which allow them to perform their specific functions in the body.